Now we're going to walk through the new client intake process in elementalClinic. We begin at the clinician's dashboard. From here, we click on the Clients link at the top of the screen and then select Create a New Client. Notice how the intake steps are tabbed out in an easy-to-read, logical order. One of the primary tasks of the clinician is to intuitively and completely capture a new client's personal, contact, demographic, medical, and placement information, which elementalClinic makes easy. We're completing the first screen, which captures the most basic information about a new client. Here we've left out the last name, which is required, and we're given an obvious warning in plain English that tells us exactly what we need to do. Now, elementalClinic progresses to the next tab in the sequence. From here, you can add multiple addresses, phone numbers, and emergency contacts. For example, if the client has 2 addresses, the clinician may enter them both and select one as the primary address. You can move through the 2nd through 5th tabs as you like, completing everything or leaving fields to fill in later. Let's return to the Contact tab and start entering information about this client. We want to capture the right amount of information, which might vary from client to client, and elementalClinic has been designed to allow for this. Every field that you see on this intake form can be easily customized by the administrator from within elementalClinic itself. In a separate demo, we'll show you how these powerful administrative features work. These intake forms were all designed to flow naturally. This makes it simple for the intake specialist or clinician to gather information in an informal, conversational manner. Later, we can enter demographic, household, employer, primary care physician, and admission assessment information. But now, we're ready for the final step, placement. This step completes the intake process, allowing us to select a program, assign a staff member, and define a level of care appropriate for the client. Once we've entered all the relevant data for intake, we're ready to admit the client, and elementalClinic takes us directly to that individual's client page, and now we can start a relationship. From this page, we can see all the relevant demographic information we just entered. And a quick glance at the client page gives us an idea of all the features available, each of which is expanded upon in a separate demonstration video.